How to fix comments not showing up on a YouTube mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix comments not showing up on YouTube mobile. First, just open settings and then scroll down until you find apps and click apps again, and here just type YouTube, and here we'll find the storage, then just clear cache and click force stop. And now just go back and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.